I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our 20-ounce stainless steel bottle right after this.
We are back today. So we are going to be showing you how to sublimate to a water bottle. In this video, we are going to be using our mug press. This is our 4-in-1 mug press with a 10-ounce element, which is called the water bottle element. You can also do this in an oven as well. So let's get started.
All right, we went ahead and printed this off on our sawgrass machine. And I'm just going to trim around here. And we did use our template to make it easy for sizing and placement. And we'll tape this on with our thermal tape. And I'm going to pass this over to Jamie to press.
There we go. Okay, so we're ready to put it in our press. And I do have it today set at 325 degrees for 165 seconds at a firm pressure. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We also have gloves we can use as well. But since it was in a mug press, it's not too hot on the top and the bottom. So now you have one personalized mug. This also comes with a lid for the top, so it screws right in. Also, what Meredith's going to show you, a rubber foot for the bottom.
Yeah, you just remove it from the paper, and you set it in the little groove there, and press it in there. And now you have a non-stick mug with a lid.
There you go. So these do come in white, of course, that we just pressed, and also the silver finish. So do be sure to check those out at coastalbusiness.com, along with product instructions and templates. And we will see you next time.